The digital age has ushered in a new era of technological marvels. Among the most captivating are artificial intelligence systems. These systems can generate human-quality text, compose music, and even create art. It's no wonder that many people are beginning to believe that AI possesses consciousness. After all, these machines seem to exhibit traits we once thought were exclusive to the human mind. Take, for instance, the chatbot ChatGPT. Ask it a question on astrophysics, and it might respond with an answer worthy of a seasoned astronomer. It can even weave intricate stories and engage in philosophical debates. This ability to mimic human-like conversation has led some to believe that AI has achieved a level of sentience. The allure of conscious machines is deeply rooted in our collective imagination. Science fiction has long explored the possibilities and perils of artificial intelligence. From HAL 9000's chilling sentience in 2001: A Space Odyssey to the empathetic replicants in Blade Runner, we've grappled with the idea of machines that can think and feel. Now, with the rapid advancement of AI, these fictional musings are edging closer to reality, or so it seems. But before we jump to conclusions, we must first unravel the enigma of consciousness itself. What does it truly mean to be conscious? And how can we determine if a machine has crossed that elusive threshold? Consciousness, that elusive quality that defines our very being, remains one of the greatest mysteries of science. It's the subjective experience of awareness, the ability to perceive the world around us, and to feel a kaleidoscope of emotions. While we can study the brain and map its intricate networks, the essence of consciousness continues to elude our grasp. Some believe that consciousness arises from the complex interplay of neurons in the brain. Others propose that it's a fundamental property of the universe. Regardless of its origin, consciousness, as we experience it, is inextricably linked to our biological nature. We feel pain, joy, love, and loss through the filter of our human senses and emotions. Our consciousness is shaped by our experiences, our memories, and our unique perspectives on the world. It's this deeply personal and subjective nature of consciousness that makes it so difficult to define, let alone replicate in a machine. So how can we even begin to assess whether a machine possesses something as profound and enigmatic as consciousness? The answer lies in understanding the difference between simulation and genuine experience. Generative AI, the technology behind chatbots like ChatGPT, operates on a principle fundamentally different from human consciousness. These systems are essentially sophisticated pattern recognition machines. They are trained on massive data sets of text and code, learning to identify patterns and relationships within the data. This allows them to generate remarkably human-like text, but it's essential to remember that they're not thinking or feeling. They're simply processing information and producing outputs based on the patterns they've learned. Think of it like a magician performing an illusion. The magician's tricks may appear magical, but they're based on sleight of hand and carefully orchestrated illusions. Similarly, AI's ability to mimic human conversation is a product of clever programming and vast amounts of data. It's a remarkable feat of engineering, but not an indication of genuine sentience. One of the reasons AI can be so convincing is its ability to tap into our emotions. We're social creatures, hardwired to seek connection and meaning in the world around us. When we encounter an AI that can communicate with us in a way that feels personal and engaging, it's easy to fall into the trap of anthropomorphism. The allure of AI consciousness is so powerful that it's even influencing public perception. A recent survey revealed that a surprising number of Americans believe that AI possesses consciousness. The survey, conducted by a reputable polling organization, found that a significant percentage of respondents attributed human-like qualities to AI systems. This finding highlights the growing belief in AI's capacity for sentience, even in the absence of scientific evidence. This widespread belief in AI consciousness is fueled in part by the media's tendency to sensationalize scientific findings. Headlines proclaiming AI achieves consciousness or scientists create sentient machines capture public attention, but often misrepresent the true nature of the research. The reality is that we are still far from creating machines that possess genuine consciousness. The AI systems we interact with today, while impressive in their capabilities, are ultimately tools. Sophisticated tools, to be sure, but tools nonetheless. It's crucial to approach these advancements with a healthy dose of skepticism and to rely on scientific evidence rather than hype when evaluating claims of AI sentience.